All souls on earth tread their path, seeking peace, longing for bliss in heaven. For teachers await each breath we draw, a rainbow that pierces the clouds of home. Parents, father and mother, the light of love. Teachers, beams of knowledge that guide. Rulers, wise stewards of the world. God, eternal teacher, spreading boundless grace. From home to school, from earth to sky, for teachers reveal the true meaning. They are both seen and unseen, leading our steps, walking the road of peace toward heaven. With their love we walk together, weaving hope, breaking through the clouds. For teachers, for shining lights, a pillar that guards the heart, ever unquenched. May every step be blessed by prayer, pillar guardians of the heart, a timeless rainbow within.